Hello everyone, Namaste. Welcome to Tiny Bug Kitchen. Today we are going to make Chole Bhature. Please like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Firstly, we boil our choles in water. Secondly, salt is added to it. Next, we close it so that it gets boiled. Till our chole gets boiled, we next go to make our dough to prepare bhatures. First, we add Maida flour. Next, we add salt. Then baking powder. And lastly, curd. Then we will mix it well. Then slowly we add some water and again mix it. Our dough is ready. Now we'll leave it for 15 minutes. Our choles are ready. Now we start our process of making chole bhaji. First we add oil. Then we add onion, tomato, garlic paste. Meanwhile, we will mix it. Then we add Garam masala, Dhaniya powder and dry kasturi powder. We will mix it. Then we add red chili powder and turmeric powder. We mix it. Lastly, we add choles into it. Lastly, we add salt into it and mix it. Finally, our chole bhaji is ready. Next, we will start our process of making bhatures. We add oil. Our dough is ready. So let's make bhatures. We make it small pieces. We slowly roll it. Now it's time to fry our bhatures. our mini chole bhature is ready. Thanks for watching.